Welcome back to Mind Quick. In today's video, are you ready for an exciting new challenge? Then let's play Would You Rather Animal Edition. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more fun quizzes. Let's go. Are you a dog person or cat person? Like this video if you are a dog person and subscribe to the channel if you are a cat person. Would you rather have a pony or have a horse? Would you rather have a pet scorpion or have a pet spider? Which one do you love more? A small dog or big dog? Would you rather see baby turtles or baby elephant? Would you rather have a hamster or have a gerbil? Would you rather have a dwarf pig or have a baby sheep? Which are more playful, dogs or cats? Would you rather black cat or brown cat? Adopt a wild lion as a pet or comment down below which animal you would like to have. Play with a dolphin or play with a panda. Would you rather have baby penguin or have baby koalas? Would you rather Shiba Inu or golden retriever? A long-haired dog or a short-haired dog? Would you rather have a flying squirrel or a flying fish? Put clothes on your animal or never put clothes on them. Would you rather taste dog food or fish food? A clownfish or an exotic fish? Pet a baby hedgehog or pet a baby marmot? Have a parrot that gives compliments or a parrot that tells jokes? Blue-eyed dogs or blue-eyed cats? Would you rather have a clingy animal or an independent animal? Baby giraffe or a baby panda? Would you rather have a chinchilla or a guinea pig? A chameleon that changes colors or a jellyfish that glows in the dark? Would you rather chicks or ducklings? Do you prefer the sing of a bird or the purring of a cat? Fight a lion or fight a shark? Would you rather corgis or poodles? Have a giant aquarium or a giant terrarium? Would you rather ride a horse or ride a camel? Adopt an animal or buy an animal from a breeder? Would you rather lion or tiger? Have a rooster that wakes you up early morning or have a parrot that wakes you up early morning? Would you rather talk to cats or talk to dogs? Would you hug a panda or hug a koala? Would you rather swim with a shark or jellyfish? Spider in your room or mosquito in your room? Ride on a camel in Egypt or visit Antarctica to see penguin? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.